Off the running. Morgan breaking right on top. The gray exclusive hopper down the center of the course. Slew Proud flashing good speed, taking over. Slew Proud quickly opening up by 2 and passing the Twin Spires for the first time. Joy Area racing in the second spot. Captive Lady at the hedges third. Galashi's racing in the fourth spot, about 4 lengths off the pace. Cha-ching the green next ahead to Subtle Approach. And it's Morgan next by 2 to Galashi at the back of the pack. Scotland Place trails. On the first turn, Slew Proud dictating terms in front by a length and 3/4. The Joy Area racing in the second spot by a half. Captive Lady tugging hard at the hedge in third. Exclusive Hopper fourth by 2.5. Cha-ching the green about 6 lengths off the lead. 2 in front of Subtle Approach. Then it's Morgan next by 3 more to Galashi. And at the back, Scotland Place trails. Now a dozen front to back up the backside, half mile in 48 1/5 seconds. It's Slew Proud and Brian Hernandez, 3 parts of a length in front. The Joy Area turning up the heat now. Second, Captive Ladies bottled up under Castanon. Needs a seam, is hemmed in now by the gray exclusive Hopper. A length and a half back to Cha-ching the green. And behind that comes Subtle Approach. Far outside, Morgan starts to gear it up. 5 back to Galashi and a driving Scotland Place. 6 furlongs in 1:12 4. They wind to the top of the lane. They turn for home. La Joy Area taking the lead off the turn by 2. Exclusive Hopper trying to come on and close that gap. Captive Lady next. Morgan charging on the outside down to the final furlong. Here comes the gray, and it's the gray going on by to take the lead now. Exclusive Hopper opens up under Robbie Alvarado. Back into the second spot, La Joy Area, 3 farther back to Morgan third. It's all Exclusive Hopper. Exclusive Hopper by 4. La Joy Area was second, Captive Lady third, Morgan fourth.